In this video, I'm about to show you how to record audio while screen recording on an iPhone. First, open the Setting app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap the Control Center. Now swipe to open the Control Center from the top right side of your screen and tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on Add a Control. Here, search for Screen Recording and tap on it. This will add it to your Control Center. Now, as you can see, screen recording is added in the Control Center. After that, go back and turn on the toggle for the access within apps to make sure you can access Control Center while in the other apps. Now swipe to open the Control Center again. Then tap on the screen record icon and here you'll see an option for microphone. Tap on the microphone to turn it on to record audio while screen recording. Next, go back and open your setting once more. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then control down and tap guided access and turn the toggle on to enable guided access. This will help ensure uninterrupted recording. Now, go back and tap on Account Shortcut. Then, scroll down again and tap on VoiceOver. After that, go back and open your phone's camera. Finally, tap on the red button to start recording. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.